Hello everyone. Today I am going to start case study question number 1 of class 9 science. So let us start with the context. Suppose the boy first runs a distance of 100 meters in 50 seconds in going from his home to the shop, this one, okay, and in the east direction, and then runs a distance of 100 meters again in 50 seconds in reverse direction from the shop to reach back to home, okay, from where he started. See this figure, and based on this context some questions have been framed. So let us start with the first question. Find the speed of the boy. So the formula of speed is total distance upon total time. So 100 मीटर जाने के लिए 100 मीटर वापस आने के लिए, so the total distance will be 100 plus 100, that is 200 meter, and the total time taken is 50 seconds जाने के लिए और 50 seconds आने के लिए, so 50 plus 50 100 seconds, and the speed of boy will be calculated by distance traveled by total time taken. This is the formula, and now we'll substitute 200 upon 100, so we'll get 2 meter per second. The correct option is the second one. Okay, so now we'll start with the second question. Find the velocity of the boy. Now see, the boy runs 100 meter towards the east, that is towards the shop, then 100 meter towards west, opposite direction. So the displacement will be 100 minus 100 0, क्योंकि दोनों का जो डायरेक्शन था वो ऑपोजिट है. सो एक प्लस 100 होगा, दूसरा माइनस 100, and the total time taken will be the same, that is 50 second plus 50 second, that is 100 second, and the velocity of the boy will be given as by the formula displacement upon time taken, and the displacement is 0, so we are getting 0 upon 100, and the final answer is 0 meter per second. So the correct option is the last one, that is D bit. Now we'll move toward the third question. A boy is sitting on a merry-go-round which is moving with a constant speed of 10 meters per second. This means that the boy is at rest, moving with no acceleration, in accelerated motion, moving with uniform velocity. So the correct option is in accelerated motion. Now we'll move toward the next question. In which of the following cases of motion the distance moved and the magnitude of the displacement are equal? अगर हम लोग अभी वाला जो एग्जांपल देखेंगे, अगर वन साइड अगर हम लोग देखेंगे तो 100 मीटर distance and the time is 50 seconds. So 100 upon 50 will be 2 meter per second for the speed also or velocity also. अगर एक ही डायरेक्शन पे देखते हैं, right? So if the car moving on a straight road, so in this case we will get the distance moved and the magnitude of displacement are equal, right? और हम लोग के जो एग्जांपल में तो अगर एक स्ट्रेट वे में देखते हैं हम लोग वन साइड, सो डिस्टेंस भी 100 मीटर रहेगा और डिस्प्लेसमेंट भी 100 मीटर रहेगा, right? So the correct option is the A1, that is if the car is moving on a straight road. Now we'll move toward the next question. A particle is moving in a circular path of radius r. The displacement after half a circle. So this is the circle, and this is the initial position, and suppose this is the final position, and the displacement is this one. This is the diameter, that is 2r. So the correct answer is C bit, this one. Okay, so this is the last question of this case study question, and we'll see the next case study question in the next one. So thank you very much.